Okay, this is the muffler for the 1995-1996 Rialta. It's necessary to make this pipe really short as compared to the other models, 97 and up. They have a much longer one. Okay, this is the 95 and the 96. Okay, I'm gonna make a quick video here to show you how this this new muffler bracket mounts onto the 96 Rialta, which mine is not. But funny thing is that on a 95, 96, they're missing this sewer pipe, and this whole back end is moved up. I don't know, 8 inches or 10 inches or something. So if you look up under here, this member here is actually way over here in the 96, 97, and so the generator itself mounts to this member right here, and we only have this much space, looks like 14 inches or so, between the rear cross member and the bumper. So I had to make the muffler different and muffler bracket as well. So this muffler bracket, it only has 2 mounting points. Well, it has these holes. These holes in here are designed to for you to screw this the muffler bracket to, where is it? Okay, so this to this cross member up here with self-tapping screws, which I supply, but you're going to be screwing to this cross member here. See where those holes are? Now, you may have to drill your own holes, but the muffler bracket goes here. Okay, you tighten it up on with those screws there, and then you drill through those holes there into this member here, and you can adjust the angle. So what you want to do is mount it, tighten it up, make sure you know where it's going to go. Then you can remove the muffler, which will be bolted right here to these slots. You can remove the muffler, and then you can put your bolts, your self-tapping screws in here, and that way it'll stay in place. And but if you need to make any adjustments, you can put washers on the other side of these screws to give space in between the cross member here and this bracket, so to adjust the angle. Okay, if you need to adjust it to get it to line up with the flex pipe, and to make sure that the flex pipe doesn't hit top or bottom with the frame here. There's a cutout for the flex pipe, but you want to make sure that it's not resting on the bottom or the top, because it'll rattle and you don't want that extra noise. Okay, have any questions, let me know. But this is the new muffler bracket for the 95, 96, and it mounts here, and I got 5 holes here. I figure you'd only need to use 3 of them, but let's say this doesn't work for you, you can use these 3, or you can use this one, and this one. It's up to you. Or hell, you can use this one, and this one if you have to. Just, you know, depending on if there's any existing holes that prevent you from tapping your own new holes, or if they don't fit correctly. All right, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.